Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in this video today, I decided to go ahead and decorate this shelf that I have in my living room. And so let's get started. Now, I already wiped everything down and set everything up on each tier. I went ahead and I purchased this at the Dollar Tree. I call it a tea light holder. I guess you can just leave it like that. You can even make a candle out of this. But I have the LED candles from the Dollar Tree, so I placed that in there. And I'm displaying my, the majority of this is all my DIYs on each shelf. So this one here says blessed. And then we're going to move on here with the maple leaf. I am absolutely loving the maple leaf, and I'm loving these colors too. So this was in a previous video that I created these DIYs. And so I like the contrast with those little touch of pink sunflowers. And again, I put a tea light holder in here. And I think it looks so pretty, guys. I really do. So we move on over to this one here, and I love this one as well. I put a little yellow tree right next to this pumpkin stand that I made, and I think this looks absolutely gorgeous. Has the little velvet ribbon. I did put some jute twine on this, outline the pumpkin. It's gorgeous. Now we move on to the fourth tier. So here I have an LED light just kind of illuminating this area. And I think it's beautiful, guys. A little accent greenery there. You see the pumpkin in the background with some greenery and fall florals that I put there on the side of this piece. And mind you, all of these pieces were all part of collaborations. Now, and then I went ahead and did a trash to treasure with that last vase on the bottom. I think that came out really pretty, and some greenery. You can never go wrong with greenery, guys. And so this is what my shelf is looking like. I hope that you like how I style this. I think it looks beautiful. And then right alongside of the shelf, I place this tall trumpet vase with some greenery and some bamboo apples. All of this as a reminder of fall. I am loving it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. I can't help but to feel that it's warm and cozy. I'm just loving it. And I hope that you guys do too. Blessings.